What is my favorite color? What is it? Purple! Purple! Now, you tell me what your favorite color is. Before you do that, you know we have a song. Let's sing our song, and then you can tell me your favorite color. We'll start with mine. It goes like this. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is yours? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow, tell me which one, pretty please. Your favorite color is, okay, your favorite color is, wow, your favorite color is, thank you for sharing with me. I want to hear it again. Your favorite color is, your favorite color is, oh wow, your favorite color is, thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. There's our letter H. Let's color the letter H blue. Before we do that, let's look at the letter H. This is the big letter H, and that is the small letter H. H is for helmet. Are you ready to color the letter H? You can pause the video and color the letter H, and then you can see the outcome after you finish coloring yours. Are you ready? Let's color our letter H together. If you don't have your flashcard, don't worry. Watch me color the letter H blue. There's our letter H. It is blue. This is the big letter H, and that is the small letter H. H is for helmet. Do you see anything else that is blue on this side? I see something. This one. This is a blue star. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter H with me. I'll see you next time. Don't forget that H is for helmet. See ya!